Guys, this is one of the pretty humorous use cases of AI. Now in this video I'm gonna use, actually I have used Leonardo AI and also Ideogram AI to make a meme. The prompt that I used was really simple. Let me show you what type of things it made. So firstly, this is in Leonardo AI. You see it says a, let me first show you the prompt that I use. So first I went to Ideogram AI and I wrote this prompt: make a funny meme on future of AI. You see I wrote in here by mistake, but you see it's AI, so it's supposed to know what's what and what I'm actually asking from it. So it made these four generations for me. These are supposed to be memes. So let's see which one is actually a meme and which one stands out to be better. So this is the first one I got. So it says when AI takes over the world. So it's giving a robot and some flying cars in the background, but it doesn't actually captures the essence of a meme in it. So let's move on to the second one. This one is actually good, guys. When I ask my AI to write a funny meme about the future of AI, you see this is, I don't know, I'm still learning. Guys, come on, what is this? This is really good, really good. You see, I gave this simple prompt and the AI made a magic prompt based on my simple prompt. It enhanced it. So, well, you see, it's quite fun. Okay, this one is by far the most interesting one. Okay, then moving on. The third one, when a human tries to explain the future of AI, there's some mistakes in the spellings over here and then some unique characters that don't make sense. Okay, they are taking over. No, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so this is the last one. When I told my AI to write a funny caption for this thumbs up sign. Okay, so it didn't really make a meme, but well, it's trying to suggest it's a meme. But anyways, what I did next was I went over to Leonardo AI and I put the same prompt, make a funny meme on future of AI, and I put it here. It gave me four generations. So this is the first one. You see the difference in Leonardo and the Ideogram AI is that the ones you make in Leonardo AI, these are like pretty vibrant. You can see it in the colors and how they glow. You see this first meme. So it says AI takes over the world, and now that's the sarcastic part that I'm going to tell you. Sort of. Well, these characters look funny. Well, it's good, I think. Then this is the next one. AI takes over the world, sort of. It doesn't seem that much intriguing. The previous one was actually better. So let's move on to the third one. Okay, so it's loading. Let me see. I might have to refresh the page here. As the page is loading, well, let me know if you have found any interesting use cases of AI and these art generators. I have used it to post memes on my X account, and well, you can see it's going good. This is the third one. It says AI takes over the world, sort of. So, well, it's sarcastic, but it doesn't capture the actual essence of what I wanted to depict. Anyways, the fourth one, same text. So what you see over here in Leonardo AI is, although the images are quite vibrant, but the drawback is that it's using the same text in all these. So in Ideogram, it's different. So we had this battle of memes. So I think I would give it to Ideogram. You see, this one I think is one of the best. I actually sneezed quite hard, as you can see from my face expression. But I'll give this win to Ideogram AI. Let me know if you found this video to be interesting, and also right now on your screen you will be seeing two videos that might be relevant to your interests. So I'll see you in either one of those. Thank you so much for watching till here. Stay blessed.